5 good reasons to choose Myob software. Myob payroll software gives you the flexibility and variety for you to manage multiple payroll frequencies and multiple rates of pay. Myob payroll supports any combination of fortnightly and monthly pay based on calendar month periods with the flexibility of defining formulas for various payroll components. Myob payroll tracks and manages your employee records, earnings and deductions. In addition to year-to-date totals, Myob payroll keeps the payslip information for every payslip ever issued through the system. 1. Powerful reporting. Myob software is extremely flexible when it comes to generating reports. This allows you to receive specific information about your business quickly and easily. Aside from offering more than 60 regular reports, Myob also allows you to customize any reports, to give you greater insight into your business, customers, stock, finances and more. Reports generated can also be ideal for predicting cash flow problems, or working out any potential impact on cash flow of raising or lowering your prices. Data can then be easily transferred to Word or Excel if you need to use it for correspondence or if you prefer other formats. 2. Reduce accounting fees. Many business owners commonly end up sending most of your business bookwork to your accountant at the end of every financial year in order to prepare their taxes. Yet, if all your information was already entered into your Myob system, your accountant will end up spending far less time putting together all your information. Your accountant can simply produce a report through Myob to generate all the information required, which saves you time and money overall. 3. Centralized information. Myob lets you centralize all your business information within one convenient software program. Yet, it's still flexible enough to make that information available to other Myob products, as well as to programs such as Microsoft Excel, Word, and even Outlook. This effectively means you can use Myob across several customer contact points or multiple office locations and still have access to centralized data. 4. Customizable security. You may have multiple staff members accessing your Myob software throughout each day, but you might have certain information you don't want some of them to access. Myob does allow you to customize your security levels for each individual user or even different user groups. Each person can create their own unique login and then the system can be modified to allow or restrict access to areas and information that is relevant to their individual job roles. 5. Grows with your business. Myob software is able to grow with your business as it expands. Add more unique users to your system in minutes as you increase staff numbers. You can even upgrade some Myob packages to include more comprehensive and more advanced software as your business needs it.
8 Tips to choose the best accounting software, small business needs. If you choose the right package, good accounting software can help your business manage accounts more efficiently. It can make the process quicker and more straightforward. The growing emphasis on e-filing, or submitting records electronically, means that the use of accounts software is even more attractive because many packages can make this process very simple. Is your software built for small businesses? Is your accounting software a good fit for my industry? Do you offer customized solutions to fit my business's needs? How many employees and clients can your software accommodate? How is my data backed up? Can access be restored immediately during an outage? What security measures do you have in place to keep both my businesses and my customers' data secure? What is the total cost? Are there any setup or cloud storage fees? What types of tech support and customer service you need? Best accounting software in Singapore. Functions and advantages of Myob software. Myob Payroll gives you the power to process even the most complex of payrolls, in just minutes. Myob Payroll software generates all the reports you need to keep management happy, ensures you're paying staff the correct amount as well as keeping update with all the latest tax requirements, effortlessly. Chart of account. The chart of accounts is a listing of all accounts used in the general ledger of an organization. The chart is used by the accounting software to aggregate information into an entity's financial statements. The chart is usually sorted in order by account number, to ease the task of locating specific accounts. Customer and supplier database tracking. You have to develop an MS Access database that runs customers, suppliers, products, inventory, asset tracking database and excellent asset tracking database. Profit and loss reporting. A profit and loss report, P&L, is a report that shows your total income and your total expenses in a specific period of time. It's a really useful report as it shows you your net profit, or loss, based on your income and expenses, and that can be used to come up with some cost-cutting strategies. Profit and loss reports go by a few names, so it might be referred to as an income statement, a statement of operations, a statement of financial results and income and expense statement. Let's stick with profit and loss report. Myob payroll software generation of payslip and payroll reporting.
Why business people to choose Myob software? Work through the features. You can download product demos for both Myob's accounting websites. If you have any idiosyncratic needs that aren't standard to business, test the demos to see which product performs best. For example, nonprofit or community organizations will probably find that the advanced budget features in Myob software suit them best, but businesses with inventory in multiple locations will probably be better steering towards Myob. If comparing cost of each product, factor in the current cost of annual support and annual upgrades. If you're comparing the prices of different Myob, they change all the time, so you'll need to shop around to get the current prices. Remember to factor in the price of annual support. Support is vital, especially at the beginning, and help that's only ever a phone call away can be a lifesaver. In some instances, annual support is almost equal to the purchase price of the software, and so it's important that you factor it in. Evaluate whether you need any add-ons. Just as you wouldn't employ a secretary who only speaks French and a manager who only speaks Pig Latin, you need to make sure that your accounting software can talk to the other computer programs in your office. For Myob software, you can find a list of add-ons by visiting the Myob add-ons page at this website. For QuickBooks, visit www.quickbooks.com.au or contact their customer service line to ask about add-on products. Consider your operating system. Talk to your accountant. If your accountant much prefers working with one of other of these products in particular, then you'll probably minimize accounting fees by following their recommendation. Think about who you'll use as a consultant or for training. In the cities, both Myob software have an excellent network of trainers. There are also lots of venues where you can attend training courses. However, consultants get much more scarce in the bush, and so it pays to find out what the local support consists of, and which product is supported best in your particular locality.